Hello USD 489. I'm here in our new app from Aptigee, and I'm going to show you how to add an event from the district or building calendar to your own calendar on an iOS device. Once you have the app open, tap on the building here in the top right corner and select the building from which you'd like to add an event to your calendar. So for instance, if I'm going to an event at Hayes Middle School that I'd like to have on my calendar, I tap on Hayes Middle School, and then at the top left, I'm going to tap on the three bars or the bookshelf icon, and I'm going to select events from this list here. And let's say that I need the HMS track parent meeting on my calendar. I tap the calendar icon. You'll notice here at the top that the name of the event is given. Please don't try to edit the location, as that's not currently a feature that's been enabled for us. You can change the date and or time. You can also set something to repeat. You can also change this to a different calendar in your list of calendars. So if you use a different calendar for family events or school events, you can select that from your list of calendars. You can also set an alert and or add some notes or attachments down here at the bottom, but once you tap add, that has now been added to the calendar on your device. Please note that the first time you do it, it's going to ask you for permission to add events to your calendar, and you're going to want to tap OK. If at any time you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.